Sales is one of the most important skills to master if you are a solopreneur, and many coaches and consultants are mainly doing their own sales. In fact, it doesn't matter what business you're in. You might be the person who is totally comfortable when it comes to sales, or you might find it discomforting. You might shy away from it. It gives you anxiety. Maybe you line up excuses. Why not do what needs to get done? Why not make that phone call? Why not hustle people on LinkedIn? Why not follow up with an email? I get you. Perhaps you too believe that marketing should be enough. So doing social media, maybe speaking at an event or two, people will find out about you and they will come to you. You want them to come to you, not the other way around. But pay attention now. If you want a person to come around your house for a barbecue, wouldn't you have to invite them? So when it comes to presenting at events, a lot of my clients shy away from placing a very strong and very powerful call to action at the end of the presentation, obviously making sure it's seated before. Even though they are interested in fresh leads and conversions and results, obviously, they sometimes fear they might kind of scare people away by being too pushy. I get that, but let me tell you a story that will change how you think and feel about calls to action and sales entirely forever. Okay, so let's say it's your best friend's birthday. Your BFF is throwing this grand party. And as you two go about your neighborhood, your BFF is extending an invitation to everybody. You're meeting people left and right and they go, "Hey, so nice to see you. How are you? Come to my party. It's my birthday next week. I'd love you to come. There's going to be a barbecue, a live band, loads and loads of people, and you're going to love it, and I love it if you come. And will you come? Can you confirm?" And you observe this. What is happening? Your BFF is throwing invites left and right. Yet, your best friend never directly asked you. Think about it for a little bit. Think hard. How does this make you feel? Wouldn't you say that you know that you are obviously invited? Obviously, you are the best friend. So it kind of goes without saying, doesn't it? But let me ask you this. Would you want to be invited? Would you consider it to be nice if your friend would maybe look you in the eyes sincerely, and with this eye contact of intimacy would come these magic words, "Hey, are you coming to my party?" You know, most people I ask this question would very much like to be invited, even though they know they are invited and it's their best friend. But then here's the most important question when it comes to sales and calling to action. Okay, the CTAs. If we all kind of need our very best friends to ask direct questions out loud, then how in hell do we think that random strangers we don't even know will assume that they can knock on your business door anytime without any invites from you? Any direct calls, invitations, reminders, persuasive calls to make some kind of immediate action in this specific time frame. You know, here's the thing. People like to know that they're welcome. People like to know that they're invited, that they are the type of a client you're working with. They want to know what will be happening there. They like to be informed about what to expect. They're grateful for your offering to help them. It's important for the CTA, for the call to action at the end of your persuasive decision-making presentation, to be even delivered and designed. And when you are delivering it, think of it like it is a party invitation. So right here, each Wednesday, there's a party happening on Zoom. Leaders from all over the world are welcome. You should come train your pitch. It's $4.99 a month and you can sign in here with just your email and the click of this button here. So just click it now, don't hesitate. First visit is free, and then you can always decide to join if you like it and if it serves your needs. You see, it's all down to, where, who, what, how, when. And actually the clicking of the button with this example I was demonstrating before, as you noticed, it was emphasized over 3 times. If this was on stage, I would have repeated the party invitation directions a couple more times, just in case people missed it. And it would not be written down on slides. Why not? Because it has to look like I just thought of it. If I have a flip chart, I'll write down the details. In bigger audiences, we would sometimes design like a landing page, and there would be just a QR code on screen for the time of the final pitch so that people can scan it. If you have more questions regarding selling from your presentation without looking too salesy or pushy, I have an online course for that can help you. And also, you can contact me anytime. Just drop a comment or check out my available slots on Calendly. It's in the bio of this page. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and watch more videos like this one covering the art of persuasion. You're welcome to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so by now. Take care, and also make sure you will speak soon.